Hey you guys, my name is Vivian and I'm just gonna do this quick unboxing video of my new camera that I just bought, which is the Canon Powershot SX740. And it's just a camera that I wanted to get for now, you know, just as a starter, to kind of start making YouTube videos and things like that. I did also buy me a DJI Osmo Action camera that I'm recording from right now, and so I'm going to be using that as well, mainly, you know, just for traveling and things like that. But I just want to do a quick unboxing video, which is kind of like my second unboxing video that I'm doing right now, so just please bear with me. I'm still learning, you know, to do videos, so please do not judge me, you know, on what I say and how this video comes out. I'm still in the learning process, but just to give you quick specs on this, it's a 20.3 megapixel camera. It does come with Wi-Fi, it's Bluetooth enabled. It does record in 4K. And let's see, it does come with the battery charger, and a wrist strap, as you can see right here. It's kind of blurry, but just bear with me, y'all, because I am recording from the Osmo Action. I will be doing an unboxing video on my Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max that I bought, but that one and the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action, I'm going to actually do the unboxing video recording from my Canon Powershot. So here we go. I'm going to unbox this right now. Just show you what comes in it. Just quick Canon limited warranty, and let's see, instruction manual, getting started guide, as you can see right here, and the Canon register now, register your product, which I'm going to be doing that later. Okay, this is the strap that comes with it, and here's the battery. It comes with it. Okay. This is the battery charger. Comes with that. This is the battery charger. And all it is just, let me put this down here. And take out the battery. And when it's time to charge it, just put the battery in like this, and this is the plug. You just plug it into any socket, and when you do that, it'll show orange here, that is in charging mode, and when it's fully charged, it will turn green here. Okay, and now I'm going to open the camera. And this is the Powershot. Oh, look at it, it's so clean. And like I said, you know, this is just a starter camera for me. 40 times optical zoom. And this is the back. Sorry, y'all, with the fingerprints on it. And it is a flip screen. You just flip it in the back, and it's good for, like, you know, when you're doing videos, you know, selfies, things like that. Here is when you want to turn on the flash. And the menu. Here are your different settings where you can switch from picture mode to, let's see, video. This is the record button right here. This is the button where you zoom in and zoom out, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put in the battery right now and show you how it does. So give me 1 second. So here is where you're gonna put in the battery. Open it here. Here's where the battery goes, and also where your memory card goes, which I currently have a 256 gigabyte memory card. So I'm going to put in the battery here, and you just close it and lock it. And this is your power button right here. And here it shows you the camera. And if you flip the screen, here it'll show you. Yes, that's me back recording. As you can see, my DJI Osmo action camera. And let's see, close this here, and I'm going to show you how to, when you do this button here, it'll zoom out. You can see it zooming, and you want to zoom back in, you just click it to the left. So that's all I really have to say. I'm still trying to, let's see, I'm gonna cut this off for now. And when you cut it off, it just zooms back in. But that's all I wanted to do for now. I just wanted to do just this quick unboxing video. Again, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of the DJI Osmo action camera that I recently bought. I'm not gonna give my thoughts on that right now. I'm just gonna wait on that video. I mean, it's pretty good, but just kind of have some pros and cons. But again, this Canon Powershot is just a starter camera for me. You know, and until, you know, later on I'll just buy one that's better. I mean, so far it's okay for now, but again, I have to start recording videos on it just to see, you know, how well it does. But I just wanted to do this quick unboxing video. Please just bear with me. I'm still in the learning process of doing unboxing video. This is something that I've always wanted to do. That I always had a passion on doing, you know, like quick reviews on things. I'm big on technology and electronics, so I really wanted to get a start on doing that. But if you like this video, just click the like button, click subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back later. Thank you guys, I appreciate it.